Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair Bootrec Fixboot access denied Windows 11. When you are in the console in advanced mode, run the command bootrec/fixboot. You can see that access is denied. Now to fix it, run Bootsect/nt60 sys, press enter. Now run the command again, bootrec/fixboot. You can see that it will complete correctly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.